Hi, my name is Lawrence Price, and I'm here continuing our conversation around Lean Six Sigma and its place in building resilient organizations. Over the past few videos, we've been providing an overview of the DMAIC process. So far, we've done a video on just kind of the broad introduction to what DMAIC is and what Lean Six Sigma is. And we've also gone through the first three modules of the DMAIC phase, so define, measure, and analyze. In this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about the improve phase. So at this point in your Lean Six Sigma project, you've defined the problem that you're working on from the customer's point of view. You've built a buy-in and support from your sponsor and other members of the project team. You've established a baseline by identifying some key measures, and even did some work on identifying leading measures that you wanted to do some data collection for. Then you've gone through and done the analysis and identified some potential root causes to the problem at hand. And at this point, you're now ready to implement some solutions that will help drive some improvement. So to talk a little bit deeper about the improve phase, I want to bring up a quick little kind of process map and just kind of walk you through this. So as a Lean Six Sigma practitioner, when you're going through the improve phase, you're going to be really kind of going through the following kind of four steps. One is you want to generate some potential solutions. So there's a lot of different structured brainstorming activities that you can go through if you're working with multiple people. Next, you want to select the best solutions. So out of all of the ideas and potential solutions that you brainstorm, what are the ones that you really want to implement? Three, assess the risks that are associated with implementing with any of those solutions, and then pilot and implement. So as I've kind of alluded to already, there's several ways of just facilitating brainstorming sessions with your project team and helping everyone kind of think through what are the best potential solutions and what are the risks. What I find though is with most Lean Six Sigma practitioners and many of the folks that they may be working with as a part of the project team, is not coming up with solutions. Everyone has ideas. It's really kind of building out the will to pilot and implement. So I want to kind of talk a little bit about that and a technique or a thought process has really helped me out that I learned several years ago. So several years ago, I'll walk you through it. We were doing a Kaizen event in a factory, and I was really struggling with implementing the ideas, right? We had a lot of great ideas about what we could do. We really understood what was going on there within this particular manufacturing cell. And so eventually, me and the project team just got to a point where we were just paralyzed by over-analysis and really just debating amongst ourselves all the different things that could go wrong, or what the merits and the detractors from all the different ideas. And so finally, someone else walked over and asked us what was going on, and we told them, and they were like, "Just try something, try anything, try and just see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then try the next idea." And introduce us to this concept of doing instead of focusing on brainstorming, call it try storming. A lot of times, I think just trying out ideas as opposed to dealing with them in the abstract is a great way to kind of get either yourself or your project team unstuck and get them from thinking into actually doing and actually making and implementing real change. So if you have an idea that you think may or may not work and there's pros and cons to it, well, let's just try it out and see if it does work. And that's a great opportunity, a great venue to do a pilot activity. And when you pilot those ideas, you're able to actually get some real hard data on whether or not it worked, or how well it worked, or how well it didn't work, and use that to inform what your next steps are. Is this something that we cascade more broadly? Is this something that we need to back out and start over again and come up with another idea, another solution that we think might work a little bit better? It's really kind of taking the theory out of it and actually getting to a point where you're doing something. So try storming is something that I definitely encourage you and other members of your project, other people that are looking to do continuous improvement, to actually lean into. And really kind of as you go into the improve phase, you start off by doing some brainstorming, but really you want to get to this place where you're trying new ideas and actually seeing what works. So I hope that you found this video and this concept around tristorming to be impactful as we continue to kind of walk through the DMAIC process and talk about the Lean Six Sigma methodology. So if you like this video, please definitely like it and encourage you to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.